Hello guys, today in this video, we're going to help you to find out the best 3D printer in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 3. Lulzbot Mini 2 Desktop 3D Printer. The portable printer for professionals, the Lulzbot Mini 2 is a versatile, high-performance desktop 3D printer engineered to deliver premium results. Compact, portable, and scalable, the Mini 2 features numerous upgrades over the original Lulzbot Mini and is a perfect addition to classrooms, offices, and workshops. Genuine E3D Titan Aero Extruder / hot end reversible PDI / glass heated print bed belt driven Z-axis for high quality prints and fast cycle times. GLCD controller for tether less 3D printing whisper quiet operation proven self-cleaning, self-leveling technology, hundreds of reliable material profiles in CureLE software. If you are looking for a professional desktop 3D printer, the Lulzbot Mini 2 is the right choice. This printer is suitable for serious users who want to do more than just print as a hobby. The maker offers various upgrades to enhance this little machine's functionality and results. Number 2. Elegio Mars Pro MSLA 3D Printer UV Photocuring LCD 3D Printer with Matrix UV LED light source. Built-in activated carbon offline print 4.53 in all, x 2.56 in DO, x 5.9 in printing size. Elegio Mars Pro is the updated version of Elegio Mars. You can purchase it just by paying $50 more and get a special filter and an incredibly designed 3D printer. It offers higher quality prints and a 5% faster print speed. The printer has a sturdy aluminum body, which does not vibrate even if you print a large part or functional prototype. It has a print volume of 4.53 x 2.68 x 5.9 inch with layer resolution varying between 0.01 and 0.2 millimeters. You can connect through a USB thumb drive or Wi-Fi. It prints at a speed between 30 to 50 millimeters /s. Number 1. JGMA Magic 3D Printer DIY Kit with Filament Run-Out Detection Sensor and Resume Print Metal Base 3D Printers for Hobbyist Education 220x200 and 20x250 110 VUS plug. The JGMA Magic is one of the best and cheapest 3D printer kits available today. It is easy to assemble and offers great print quality. It is ideal for beginners. The printer has a build volume of 220x200 and 20x250 millimeters and layer thickness, ranging between 0.05 and 0.3 millimeters. The print speed varies between 10 and 150 millimeters /sec. It has a stable nozzle that can withstand a temperature of 240 OC. You can connect with the machine through an SD card or USB. The machine costs $199. The open frame of the printer allows easy viewing of the printing process. The sturdy aluminum body offers stability and reliability.